Hey, this is Mahbub, and in this video I will show you how you can copy a tag from Google Tag Manager. Okay, let's see. Just click on any tag, then you can see just three dot from right side top here. Just click on it and just click on copy. Then you can change the name from here as you want. Or if you want, you can put here view content, checkout, begin checkout, anything as you want. Just you have to change the event name here and also triggering from here. So this is how you can change everything, and you can copy our tag. Thank you.